Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I want to do a live withdrawal. I want to show you how to sell your MEC token. So we're going to start here. So you can see the amount I have this amount of MEC token in my asset, like available asset wallet. So I'm going to withdraw almost everything. So the first thing is you gonna click on explore for you to go to the sell section. So if you click on explore, you will see something like help center and DApp store. So this is what you want. So you're just going to scroll down. So where we have the DApp store, we have transactions. Then you are being told me transactions are provided by node communities for the trade and exchange of MEC token. And you can also see this one written unicorn. Make me unicorn join me ambassador node in incentive program for more rewards. So what you're going to do is to click on the transaction, me transaction, the green ones. That is what we are going to measure on. These other three, we don't need them. This is what we need to sell our MEC token. So we're gonna click on click to join. That is what you're going to click to join. Then it will take you to a browser. Click on the browser you're using. If you're using a Chrome or any other browser, just click on it. It will direct you to the website, MEC P2P website. So right now they're going to show me that they're going to take me direct. But first, for you, if you're doing this for the first time, your account is not connected, obviously they will need you to connect your account. So if you want to log in, you just click on login with MEC with MiPass. So you connect, then after it has been authorized, then it will direct you to, you'll go tap on it again and it will bring you to this page whereby you can sell or buy MEC token from different traders. So you can see we have a sell and buy options. So you can see the price right now. This is the price of one MEC token is 4.95. But remember, traders can always come up with their own price. Like you can see, this first person is quantity is 20 MEC and is buying or selling from one MEC token to 20. So you cannot, you cannot sell 0 point something. If you want to sell one and in between 1 to 20, then you can sell to this person. So that is number one thing that you need to consider when looking for a trader to sell your MEC token to, or to buy your MEC token from. So you have to check on the limit and check on what amount of MEC token you want to sell. Okay, so you also have to check on the price. This person's price is 4.9 USDT. That is for one MEC token is 4.96 USDT. And you also check on the notes, the payment method the person is using. So this person is accepting Binance UID, Bybit UID, and Bitgate. So if you have the three, you can choose the person. And also the limit you want to sell is in between 1 to 20, and the price fits you, then go for that person. But for me, I want to sell 0 0.6, so I'm going to choose the person that has the same limit as mine. So the second person is selling, the limit is, the quantity is 42 MEC token. That is the big number that is selling. Then the least he can sell like he's buying, this person is buying, like he can buy up to 0 0.3. So I can sell my token to this person. Okay, and again, is using Binance only. Yeah, I love that because I'm also using Binance, though I have other exchanges too, but I want to use Binance. So I'm going to choose this person I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to choose this person. And guys, before I continue, if you're watching my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. And guys, if you haven't registered on MePass app, make sure you go to the comment section. Right now my channel is not allowed to put links, extra links or external links on the description of the video. Make sure you go to the comment section. I'll put the link there, and I'm not allowed to pin the link, so check on the comment section for you to get the link of the app, MePass app. And again, join our WhatsApp group for more tutorials and updates. So guys, if you're watching, don't forget to subscribe. So let's continue. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on sell, because this person's order rhymes with mine. I want to sell 0.69, and this person is buying from 0.3, so I can go with this person. And I'm also going to use Binance. So you're going to tap on sell. Okay, so we have sell right here. You're gonna click on sell. So you can see all these informations, guys. You can see all this information. You can see price of 1 MEC token is 4.96 according to these persons. Then you have to put the amount. Remember, the amount is from 0.3 to mean if you want to sell 0.1, then this you can look for another trader. Okay, then you're going to I will receive, so you will be able to see the amount you want to receive after putting the amount of MEC token you want to sell. Then the rest will follow. So we are going to put the amount of MEC token you want to sell, that is 0.69. okay, so you can see the amount that I'm gonna receive. You can see it, guys. It's right here, the amount that I'm going to receive. Okay, so this is the amount. Okay, let me put 95. Yeah, 9595. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, I'm going to receive 3.4224 USDT, that is $3.4. And you can see the fee they're going to charge and total need to deposit. So you can see temporal balance is 00. So we're gonna continue and click on confirm, and you can see please ensure that you have enough time to trade. Canceling a place order will result into a credit score deduction. If your score is lower than 60, you will not be able to post ads. So make sure you read all this information. So we're gonna click on confirm right here because we confirmed everything. So you're gonna click on confirm, and you can see order confirmation, required deposit is that one, temporal balance is this. Okay, so you're gonna click on confirm, and notice insufficient balance in the KYC address. Okay, so okay, let's do this. Okay, it's fine. Let me put like 0.68. okay, yeah, let's put 0.68. Yeah, so you see it has accepted that. You know why? Because yeah, because for the fee deduction, so you're gonna click on go to authorize. So you're gonna authorize, you can see right there, we're gonna click on yes, it has been authorized. Okay, so we're gonna click on this to go back. So we're gonna click to join again to go back to the selling page to see if our trade has been transaction has been accepted. Of course, guys, you can see it right here. It is right here. Okay, it is right here, guys. You can see this, my transaction. So I'm gonna click on it, yeah, to see. We are still waiting for the Francesca, waiting for the seller to deposit. So I'm going to deposit. Okay, I'm gonna deposit, so I'm going to click on that our trade section. You can see all these things written right here, so I have to complete all the steps. Okay, so these are the minutes that have been given. So please transfer this amount of MEC token to this address. Okay, and the minutes are counting. So I'm gonna copy this address right here. I'm going to copy it, then deposit. Then once I'm done and come back here, so you can also chat with the person or the trader you are dealing with. Right there, there's a chat option. So if you click on this, you can see what the person is saying in the chat section. You can see, hi, send me your Binance ID, and oh yeah, also I'll send the person my Binance. And if you had Binance, please send your ID here. So I will send the person my Binance UID. So guys, okay, I have given the person my UID for Binance. If you want to get your Binance UID, you just go to your Binance profile, then you will be able to see Binance UID, okay, or any other account UID. Go to profile of your exchange wallet, then you will see it. So the next thing, I'm going to deposit the amount as required. Then after that, I will click on I have deposited. If I want to cancel, I'll also go ahead and cancel, but I don't want to cancel, so I'm going to deposit this amount. Okay, 066936 MEC token. Okay, so I've copied this address. So I'm going back to my MePass app. I'm going back to my MePass app. Then I'm gonna click on the assets. Assets are right here. So the next thing is I'm going to click on send. Okay, so I'm going to send the person MEC token as required there, 6936. Okay, so I'm gonna click on send. So you can see the available right here. I'm going to click on I'm going to long press to paste the address that I copied like this. I'm going to copy it there. Then this one, I'm going to put the amount as 0.6936 as written on the marketplace. You can see. Then you can see the memo, that is memo is optional, of which I'm not going to write anything there. Then gas fee is that one. So gonna click on next. So you can see the next thing is you're gonna click on confirm. So I've confirmed, I've put my pin, so I'm waiting for it to confirm. So you can see it is successful, it has been sent successfully. So the next thing is I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this for references. Then I'm gonna click on back button. You can see the transaction has been made. You can see right here, sent, zero, that one. So I'm gonna click on, I'm going back to the market right here, market. I'm going to click on I have deposited. Okay, I'm waiting for the on-chain confirmation. I have deposited. I'm chatting the trader or the buyer. I have deposited. Oh, he said I did a mistake, so I told this person. Being told buyers paid. So let me check my Binance. Okay, you can see right here, Binance is alerting me like you have, okay, you have received a payment. You have received a payment of this amount. You can see, guys, I have received the amount right here from Francesca Charles. Okay, so I'm going back. Oh shit, wait, I'm going back. Yeah, so everything is done. So I have to click on I have received. You can see I have received to release the person. So are you sure you have received payment? Once confirmed, MEC will be sent to your buyer automatically and cannot be refunded. Okay, guys, so you have to confirm with your exchange wallet, the one you are using. So for me, I have seen it has been deposited. You can see right here on Binance, you have received a payment. So I'm going to click on yes, I have. Go to authorize. I'm going to authorize the person. You can see I'm going to connect. Yeah, once it has been authorized, you can see successful. Okay, so I'm just done like that. Let us go to my Binance, to my MePass wallet and see the balance. You can see right now I'm having 0.000429 MEC token. So we're going to main our wallet. Okay, so you can see right here, this is my remaining balance, my remaining balance. Okay, so I have sold it successfully, and you've seen the information that I have been sent, the amount to the buyer that I was using. You can see it is right here. Okay, so guys, that is it. That is all if you want to sell your MEC token. So thank you so much guys for watching. See you on the other side.